In my previous videos, I have shown you how to install Zotero and then how to install the Zotero plugins, and finally I also showed you how to customize those plugins according to your specifications. In this video, I will show you how to use Zotero starting from searching for a research paper in Google Chrome to annotating those papers and extracting those annotations with the help of MD notes into markdown files. So let us jump right in. For this, we need to go to Google Chrome first. We will go to scholar.google.com and we will search for research papers of our interest. For example, say COVID-19. So here the first few research papers are listed by Google Scholar, and I am interested in this paper which is having a PDF for it. So I'll go to this Chrome connector for Zotero and click on it. It's telling me, asking me whether Zotero is running or not. So I'll just close this now and I'll start Zotero. After Zotero is completely initialized, I will create a collection here. Collection is nothing but a folder to organize all your Zotero references. So I'll give my collection a name, say COVID, and click OK. So my collection is created. I can create sub collections if I want. These are nothing but folders for organizing our references in Zotero. So I'll go back to Chrome, and now when I click on this Zotero connector, it shows me all the papers listed on this search page. So I'll go for the one which is having a PDF with it. This is the same one which I told you about earlier, the COVID-19 vaccine development landscape. So I'll select it in my Zotero item selector and then click OK. What Zotero will do is, it will import the PDF as well as all the metadata associated with that PDF into Zotero. And see, Zot file has already named my PDF according to whatever format I have already specified in my earlier video. So here you can see the paper and the metadata has been imported by Zotero automatically from Google Scholar. If you find any mistake in the metadata, you can correct it here. For example, let's say there is some mistake in the date, so we can correct it here manually. Let me change it back to the original one. I just wanted to show you that you can do it manually also. Now I will double click on this paper and it will get opened in the PDF editor, whichever PDF editor you are having in your system. So let me show you the renaming rules that I specified in the previous video. So I specified that I want author, then year, then title. So Zot file has done exactly that. LE is the author, 2020 is the year, and then it has appended the title of the paper. So this is done by Zot file, renaming of the PDF file. And let me show you what Better BibTeX has done. So in Better BibTeX also I have specified citation key format as author, then year, then short title, one word, and that one word should be capitalized. So see here, this site key has been created by Better BibTeX, and this site key is very important. We are going to use it in our LaTeX document also. So let me close this. If I double click on it now, it will be opened in the PDF editor or PDF reader, whatever you have got installed in your system. So let me close these sidebars and zoom it a bit. Now what I can do is I can do my annotations here. So let me do a few annotations. Okay, this is read only, so I have to enable editing. Yeah, okay, I'm okay with that. So I'll do my annotations, some sample annotations to show you. One more annotation, and maybe one more here. Let me go back. Okay, so I've done 3 annotations here, and let me save it. Where should I save? Okay, inside Zotero data, that's fine. Yeah, I'll click on this and click on save. Yes, I want to replace it, and I will close it. Now going back to Zotero, what I will do next is I will right click on this entry, go to manage attachments and extract annotations. Now on the bottom right hand corner you can see Zot file is doing all the extractions, and yes, it has extracted all my annotations here. Now what I will do is I'll go to MD notes and click on create full export note. It will ask me where to save it. We have already specified the path, and that is where it has opened it. It will give me the choice of changing it now, but I'll stick with this folder. I'll click on open, and MD Notes has created the markdown file of all my annotations as well as metadata. Let me show it to you. Yeah, so here are the extracted annotations and the extracted metadata from the downloaded paper. Now this is metadata part. Yeah, okay. So let me go to that folder. open it. Yeah, so this was the template file that I had specified in my previous video, and see, exactly like this template file, it has extracted the metadata. Whatever fields we specified, it has extracted those fields. Let me close it. Now in this video, I'll end here, and in the next video, I'll show you how to download and install Obsidian. So if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and give my video one like, and please share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much.